First of all, go to Window, Gradients, and here in the upper right corner of the Gradients window, make sure that the Legacy Gradients is active. Then Ctrl+J to duplicate your background layer. Select your background layer again and go to Image Adjustments, Desaturate to make it black and white. Select layer 1 again. Click on Create a new layer and go to Image, Apply Image. Now this creates a merged copy of all the layers in the document. Now go to Filter, Stylize, find Edges. Now change the blending mode of the layer to Overlay. Now create a new adjustment layer. Click right here, create a new adjustment layer, and choose Gradient Map. Click here on the gradient and scroll all the way down to the Legacy Gradients folder. Click on the arrow on the left to expand the folder and scroll until you see the photographic toning folder. Click to expand it and let's choose, let's see, the gold blue gradient. Click OK. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a new adjustment layer and choose Curves. In the preset drop down menu, click it and choose Strong Contrast. And this is it. Thank you for watching.